Do you have any leftover rice you don't want to waste? Do you need a crowd-pleasing option for breakfast, lunch, or dinner? Whatever the reason, this simple fried rice is the answer. A one-pan wonder that's simple to make, yet fun to eat. For this video, I'm starting fresh since I don't have any leftover rice on hand. This version of fried rice features some key ingredients: eggs, garlic, shallots, Spam, and a blend of sauces. While the rice cooks, I'll get everything else ready, including prepping 2 batches of cooking oil. Now, let's talk about the secret ingredient, white pepper. It's perfect for fried rice because it adds just the right level of spice to keep it interesting and not overpower the other flavors like black pepper does. If you've never cooked with white pepper before, it's one of those things where you'll just have to try it for yourself. And here's the thing, prepping the ingredients for this dish takes more effort than the cooking itself. But let me tell you, cooking is much easier when everything is ready to go. It's time for the sauce, whisking together a mix of ingredients, including my favorite, sesame oil. It's on to the prep work, slicing a shallot into thin strips, and then dicing the star of the show, Spam. Once everything is ready, it's time to start cooking. First up are the eggs, cooked right after adding the first batch of cooking oil. Fried rice is easier to make if you have a wok, but I'm here to show you that you can still make whatever you want with whatever you have. Still wish I could use a wok though. While the eggs are cooking, I'll slice up my scallion greens at a bias to make them look elegant, and slicing the scallion whites thinly to cook with the Spam. Once the eggs are done, it's time for the second batch of cooking oil to go in, followed by the garlic, shallots, and scallion whites. Once they have all softened, in goes the diced Spam. Finally, I'll pour in the sauce mixture and get ready to bring everything together. For me, this is where it gets tough. Continuously mixing is necessary, but can be tiring, especially when your arms are tired from a workout. Once I somehow manage to get it evenly mixed, it's time to add the secret ingredient of white pepper. Then, I finished it off by folding in the cooked eggs and topping it with the scallion greens. For the final touch, I'll top it off with some toasted sesame seeds and some furikake, if I had some. Now, it's time to scoop it into a bowl and it's time to eat. And there you have it, Spam fried rice. It's efficient and ideal for feeding a crowd, and it's perfect to make if you have any leftover rice. Thank you so much for watching and sharing a space with me here at our virtual table. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell to stay tuned for next week's video, where I'll be making another simple yet incredibly delicious dish: margarita pizza from scratch. See you all in the next one.